Hi, my name is Justin from Mirrorwall, and today I'm going to be showing you how to install a magnetic door catch. So the purpose of a magnetic door catch is not only to hold the doors open or the panels open when it's accordion, but it's also to prevent the handle from hitting the stile. So when you install this, you want to make sure you install it at the center of the panel, like right in the middle of the rail. You can see here that once you go farther over towards the handle, it gets a little wider. So if your magnetic door catch is over here, you're still going to be able to hit. So if you put it here, it'll give it enough room to, even if somebody slams the door on accident or the wind takes it, it'll prevent it from damaging the handle. Okay, so inside your magnetic door catch kit, you're going to get 2 magnets, the magnet housing, 4 springs, 4 screws, 2 cover plates, and you need a number 2 Phillips head and a number 29 drill bit. Now the number 29 drill bit is just a little bit bigger than an 1/8. But if you use an 1/8, you're probably going to snap these screws. So if I were you and you don't have a number 29, I would make sure I get one. These screws do tend to snap if you use something too small. Number 29 has been working for us perfectly for a while with no issues. Okay, to assemble these, you put one of the magnets inside just like that. Face down, you want the magnet to poke out. 2 springs, you can see right where they go, inside that little hole. And 2 screws. That's how you will install this. So when we bring it over here, I've already pre-drilled these holes right to the center of the rail, center of the panel itself. They do not come pre-drilled from the factory. So with the springs on the back of it, it will not fall out. You can pull it, it's good, it's right where it should be. So with the springs on the back, you want to go ahead and put it in. I recommend going slow with your screw. You do not want this screw to break. It only comes with 4. They do not send extra. Install both of them. You're good. So with doors that get sweeps, such as a modified sill or an ADA sill, you want to put the sweep on first. We see many times where people put this too low. Rule of thumb is you want to be just under the snap bead. But you want to make sure your sweep is on prior so you're not trying to fight it or going up too high into the snap bead. Your sweep will tell you where you want to put it. You want to be just above the sweep and just below the snap bead. It's a perfect place. So then what I do is I leave the springs and the screws out. I attach my magnet to the other magnet and I open the door. Right where it touches, I want to take my drill with the number 29. I want to hold it just like this. Make sure it lines up and open. Don't let your fingers move. Drill the hole. After you drill your hole, you want to take it off, put the springs on, and attach it. Again, going slow when you apply the screw. Now, only do one to start and check by swinging the panel open and see how it lines up. You only get one shot. If it's off a little bit, that's okay. This one's right where it should be. Now that you have it lined up right and you don't need to move it side to side, drill the other hole. Apply the other screw. So next you want to apply the cap. Go ahead and push. Top, you want to be able to read Centaur from the top. Just like that, it'll pop right on. Now this is your final product. You can see it does not hit. If you were too far over, it definitely would. You can already see I'm pretty close now, but I'm not going to be able to hit. This is when it's pushed all the way.